Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy cryptocurrency using Binance P2P. First, you'll need to understand the peer-to-peer trading process, which connects buyers and sellers directly. It's crucial to select a reliable seller with a good reputation and high completion rate. You'll also want to consider the various payment methods available, such as bank transfers or mobile payments, to ensure a smooth transaction. This method offers flexibility and control over your crypto purchases. To place your order, navigate to the P2P section on Binance. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy, like USD or BTC, and your preferred fiat currency, for example, USD. Next, filter the available sellers based on their price, payment methods they accept, and their trading limits. Once you find a suitable seller, enter the exact amount of crypto you want to purchase, perhaps for $100, and confirm your order. After placing your order, you will receive the seller's payment details. It's essential to transfer the funds to their account using the agreed-upon payment method within the specified time limit, usually 15 minutes. Once the transfer is complete, click the Transferred Notify Seller button on Binance. This action informs the seller that you have made the payment. Now, patiently wait for the seller to confirm receipt and release the cryptocurrency to your wallet. Once the seller releases the crypto, it will appear in your Binance funding wallet. Always verify that the correct amount has been received. In the rare event of an issue, Binance offers a dispute resolution process to mediate between buyers and sellers. Remember to communicate clearly and keep all transaction records. Prioritizing secure transactions and following all steps carefully ensures a successful and safe P2P buying experience on Binance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.